This video shows how to create a radial fabric sealing treatment. Locate your instructions, materials, and tools. Measure and cut 5 lengths of fabric to fit your space. Create a stapled pocket. Thread your fabric strips onto the wire ring connector. Use filament tape to close and secure the wire ring. Attach the wire hanger assembly as shown. Now, gather your tools for hanging the other end of the fabric. Create another stapled pocket at least 3 inches wide. Insert cardboard tube. Bend the 4-foot wire at midpoint and create a sharp angle on each end. Puncture tube at least 10 inches from the end. Attach hanging wires. Back to the center ring. Attach rope to wire hanger assembly and prepare to hang. Using tall ladders and several people, hang the wire assembly and outer edges using a method that will not damage your venue.